What's up, crypto gang? Thanks for joining me on this video. If you're in Uganda, I have amazing news for you. So Binance has added direct fiat gateways for the Ugandan shilling on Binance.com. Before this, Binance was available in Uganda via Binance Uganda, but now Binance is available in Uganda on Binance.com, and I'm going to explain how all of this works in this video. If you are on this channel for the first time, or you are just looking for how to buy Bitcoin in Uganda and you found this video, remember to subscribe because I do a lot of content on the African continent, cryptocurrency, blockchain, Bitcoin, and other things that are all part of the digital currency revolution. So if you like these kind of things, just click the subscribe button right now, smash the like button, and let's get right into the video. Welcome to the video once again, and in this video, as I said, I'll be explaining how to buy Bitcoin on Binance in Uganda. Binance Uganda allows people to buy Bitcoin, but now Binance.com is allowing people to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BUSD, BNB, and EOS directly on Binance.com by depositing their money via mobile money. So at the time of recording, you can deposit on Binance.com via mobile money in Uganda. Hopefully other payment methods will be added later on. But then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this on desktop. It's very similar on mobile, and I'll also show you how you can do this on mobile. So before you get started and before you get into the tutorial video, there are a couple of things you have to do. You have to sign up on Binance.com. So Binance.com is different from Binance Uganda, and so you have to sign up on Binance.com. Now, if you want to sign up on Binance.com, look in the description box under this video and click the link in that description box. It will give you 15% fees off of all transactions you do. I mean 15% discount on transaction fees on Binance.com when you use my link in the description box. It's another way for you to support this channel, and it's another way for you to also gain something. So you win, I win, everybody wins. So use that link, and then after that, go ahead and verify your account on Binance in order to have access to a lot of functionalities. Now that you have done all of this, just sit back, relax, watch the video, and learn how to buy Bitcoin in Uganda on Binance. Come to the dashboard, and this is how the dashboard looks like. So this is the Binance.com dashboard. And at this point, you are ready to get started with buying Bitcoin in Uganda. Go to the spot wallet at the wallet section. And then after it loads, you then go and search for UGX. So then you found UGX, or you can decide to go down and use the slider down here to find the page with UGX. Might take a while if you go this way. And on page number 12, there you go. So click on deposit. Now, this is how it is looking for me because I'm based in Ghana. Binance has become very strict on who they're allowed to try to deposit depending on the country they find themselves in. So it won't show for me because I'm based in Ghana. But then I'll show you how it will look like if you are in Uganda. So if you're in Uganda, it will look a particular way. Remember that 3% fee charge, but then if you use the link in my description, you would get a discount on the fees. So for now, it's only mobile money that works. Even though the screenshot says otherwise, it's only mobile money that works. Enter the amount, click on confirm. You're going to see a part where you're asked to enter your number. You enter your number, and then you are able to do what you are supposed to do in terms of confirming the prompt and paying the amount in mobile money. So now that you are done with the deposit, you can go to the UGX buy with cash option. So you have to go to the buy with cash balance option on Binance. When you click on that, you have to select UGX. After you select UGX, you enter the amount that you want to spend in UGX. You can select between BTC, BNB, ETH, USDT, XRP, and then you can go ahead and make your purchase. Press on the buy Bitcoin button buy XRP button, buy USDT button, depending on the kind of currency you're trying to buy, and then you can finally finish your purchase. And that's how it works on desktop. Now that you're done watching this video, the tutorial video I made, not this video, stay, we are not done yet. You now know how to buy Bitcoin in Uganda on Binance. Now that you have finally understood how it works, you can use the amount of Bitcoin you bought to trade on Binance, margin trading, spot trading, etc. And I'll be doing a lot of content on how to trade cryptocurrencies, be doing a lot of webinars on how to trade cryptocurrencies. So I would advise that you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and smash the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions about Binance in Uganda or cryptocurrency in Uganda or in Africa generally, and I'm going to answer them for you. It's been great having you on this video, and I look forward to seeing you again. Cheers.